Columns of them carry the grass back to the nest along highways as straight as Roman roads. Different members of the colony specialize in particular tasks, in much the same way as people do. But, as in human society, there can be problems. A hitchhiker makes one ant's job much harder. And this isn't even grass. A single colony harvests 1/2 ton of grass a year, more than any other animal on these plains. But since they themselves can't eat it, why do they do so? The answer lies underground. They have one of the most extraordinary survival strategies in the insect world. The ants have dug a network of tunnels that extend downwards for over 7 meters. At the heart of the colony lies the key to their survival: a fungus. But this isn't sloppy housekeeping. This is a fungus that is found nowhere else on Earth. And the ants cultivate it assiduously. The big-jawed ants chop up the grass, covering it with an antibiotic saliva that kills every kind of fungus except this one. The ants are farmers. They feed the grass to the fungus, and the fungus thrives. The ants cultivate dozens of these fungus gardens throughout the colony. This is what they eat.